Hello to my second vlog on game development on my journey. I was making some progress on the tutorial on the course I bought on Udemy. As you can see, I made the starting of the Heisers Meisters game, as it's called, which is like a stealth game. I'm still in the beginning. I thought just for learning purposes, just follow the course if I have some time for it. And in the meanwhile, I worked on my own ideas. I started working on my drinking game, and I started to develop another game which I already developed somehow, but it's not finished, with phaser free with web technologies. Yes, but I had not that much time this week for programming. I was working a lot on my thesis. I guess I will make some videos on web development, especially web components in the future. Maybe some kind of a series if you're interested as well in those kind of things. I was working a lot, so I had not that much time, but I will show you the progress I made so far, like you see here. The next thing I mentioned already is the game which I already developed for the browser with HTML and JavaScript, or I used TypeScript. I tested out the phaser 3 with TypeScript, which was kind of a mess to set up. Now I'm trying to do it with Godot as well for just practicing, but here I face a big problem. Maybe some of you guys might help me there. As you can see, I can spawn my mushrooms randomly on the screen, but I am not able to move them randomly. As soon as I start trying to move them randomly, they just fix their position in the center of the screen. And you see them pop up for a millisecond, and then they just like teleport something. You see they are moving, but you don't know actually where they're going. But then I think they're just stuck in the center. I tried a lot of stuff. I tried to do it with kinematic body 2D, with area 2D. I tried the move and collide, and I tried the move and slide function. I tried to set a position. I did a lot of stuff already, and nothing I tried seems to work so far. So I would appreciate every kind of tip. Just leave it down in the comments below if you have any ideas, or mention it if you are stuck at the same problem. Maybe you have the same problem, but I guess it should be quite simple, right? Because a random movement of a object or character should be basic stuff, and you should be able to do it. So maybe I missed some small thing, but I have no idea why it's not working. So, and since I don't have that much time, I was spending maybe 1 or 2 hours on research and trying to fix the problem, but I was not able to make it since then. Right, I need to drink something. As you can see here, I started to program my drinking game. This is a Wheel of Fortune spinning, like the sprites are just for making everything visible so far, so it's the screen just to see that it's working. And thank you for watching my video. I would appreciate every like. Thanks guys.